The main element here is we are monitoring kung ano ba talaga ang weather situation, and of course yung flooding. Pero so far yung problema ay yung hangin, malakas ang hangin. But unfortunately, pag tinitignan natin yung mga forecast, baka mas lalakas pa bukas dito sa Manila bago aakyat, tatawid ng Cagayan bago mag-head ng north. So, we are watching it. Ang tinitignan lang natin sa eskwela, syempre iba, the LGUs also make iba-iba. The LGUs make their own decision with that, except if there is a region-wide assessment na hindi pwedeng pumasok. Sa trabaho naman, ang tinitignan lang namin ay kung makapunta yung mga empleyado natin makapasok at makauwi. Importante yung makauwi. Kasi pag mahirap, pag ma-stranded sila dun sa kanilang pinagtatrabahuan. So, that's what we are watching now. And we're prepared for the aftermath of all of this. As usual, nag-forward placement na tayo ng mga pangangailangan. We will just have to wait for the weather to see what it will do. Hopefully, umiwas sa atin, but even if it does not, we have all the elements in place to support our people na magiging mahihirapan dahil dito sa naging bagyong Enteng.